Hello, happy homeowners. This is Danielle with OnlyWoodFloors. Just wanted to give you an update on the floor that we're refinishing here in Newport Coast. This is what it did look like originally. You can see the waves and the floor. This nice dark color. And we're gonna start sanding up here. And we've just about finished the downstairs, ready to start coating. Just the steps. So we sanded it down natural. Amelia's over there vacuuming it up so we can start coating. So we're going to coat downstairs and start on the upstairs. Getting the upstairs entry and bedroom just to look just like this. It's looking pretty good. I'll go back and show you the steps again. Yeah, so we're going to start coating soon, and stay tuned for more updates.